So the old version still has an input-based material, which at the time of creation of this plugin was necessary. You can see that there's no output struct of settings for when using Node Apply Graffiti. In the new version, we have added 2 new inputs regarding fixing the overlap issue in corners. Also, we used the strings to save path for the images, but if the user delete that image, the path will be invalid. This is also fixed in the new version. Now let's see the corners overlap problem. You should notice that when we spawn graffiti near another mesh, it will overlap deformed like. As you can see in the new version, the required material input is removed. The new output struct. It's used for saving purposes. As you can see, you have everything needed here. Since last time, we have that problem that if the user removed its images, our saved path to that image would be invalid. So we fixed it, saving a copy of the selected image in the saved folder. So these paths will always work because the images are saved on different location, even if the user deletes the original images. Now let's test how would look a loading save game with graffitis. So instead of saving an array of string, just save an array of the graffiti struct. We will loop for every item in the array. Then we will use the node load texture from file. We check if this texture is valid, and if so, then just connect the apply graffiti node. I have added a Boolean, whether to use custom location when using this node apply graffiti, because originally we were doing from the camera source hit location, but since you are loading a save game, we will use the custom location. Use an array of the graffiti struct and not an array of strings. So this is how it would look, a loading save game of graffitis. Now regarding the overlapping on corners, we added 2 inputs, projection depth and surface offset. Play with these values if you want to minimize or remove, complete that problem on corners. If you still want to modify the original material used, you can head to the folder of the Graffiti plugin, and you can see the material right there and edit as you like.